you doing, guys? Today we're here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're here for the Eve event. We got invited by Universal Studios, so we are excited. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We want you guys to come along. These are VIP passes, so let's see what they can do. But now, you ready to have some fun?
Let's have some fun.
All right, here we go, guys. Welcome to this Magic Journeys vlog. Here we go. All right, look at the drinks they have here at the Eve's Cocktails. They have a purple electric, a hurricane, a margarita, a spiked hot chocolate. Oh yeah, and an exclusive cocktail. I think that's the one I want to try, the exclusive cocktail. I hope you're thirsty.
I'm very thirsty.
All right, Janelle, cheers. Happy New Year's Eve.
Happy
First
New Year's
drink
Eve.
of the night. Mmm, refreshing. Ooh, that's a little strong. I love it. Check out these cups, guys. Look at that, Janelle.
It says Eve.
It says Eve, Ultimate Eve. So stage 27 is open for VIP, guys. We're going downstairs. We're gonna try some of the buffet food that they have. I hear they got some good stuff, but we have to go to the lower lot. Here we go. Right, there's a sign, Janelle. It's telling you to go that way.
Let's go that way then.
All right. Guys, we're about to walk into stage 27 here at Universal Studios. They changed it up so that it looks like this really cool thing. Oh!
So fancy. Look, that cool stuff to celebrate.
Nice. What are these? Oh, they got the blow horns. And they got these glasses here. Oh, let me turn those on.
Dessert, I got my sparkling water.
Some buffet style foods here. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Look at these champagne topper cookies. Janelle, do you think this is like movie snow that they use here at Universal? Whoa!
Over here, look.
It's movie snow. Wow!
Oh, I'm just kidding.
I want to feel it. Whoa! I've never felt movie snow before.
It's like coconut.
Yeah, it's like plastic. Crazy. Ooh, I think that's gonna be Mario Land. Guys, that was a lot of fun, and I'm really stuffed. That was a lot of food.
I know, that was a ton of food, but delicious food too, and desserts. Now it's time to ride a ride.
You can see the fireworks from, and it's here on the lower lot where Transformers The Ride is, or upstairs by Hogsworth. I think it'll look more magical up in Hogsworth.
Hogwarts or
Hogwarts. Hogwarts?
You said Hogwarts.
Hey, I've never seen the Harry Potter movies.
Hogwarts.
What is it?
It's Hogwarts. But you
That's
said
what I said.
Hogwarts. You said Hogwarts.
That's what I said.
You said Hogwarts.
Hogwarts? Like Woolworths?
No.
That's a good store.
That's I was like, wait, what did you just say? I'm triggered. I'm running a leather.
Oh my gosh. Pretty chilly night today, but we've had quite a few spirits keeping us warm today.
Yes, some good spirits, if you know what I mean.
Janelle, day 47, we gotta hurry up. The last tram's at 9 o'clock. Last tram at 9 o'clock. It says right there, 9 p.m. And we made it.
We made it.
You have to go through the express line. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting.
I know.
We're in the express line, Janelle. Oh my gosh, I really have to thank Universal for this. We've never done any type of like VIP anything. So this is so exciting.
This is a true gift.
It really is.
More stairs.
More stairs. That's a new sign, and I love it. But we're gonna have to take that one right there. The last tram at 9 p.m., that's the express. All right, it's beginning.
I'm so excited.
Because it feels like we are back in that
Back to the future. It's the clock tower. Well, kind of.
Trying to hit that lightning light kind of in the distance. You could picture that DeLorean going 88 miles per hour, sending him back to Hill Valley in 1985.
Wow.
We are turning onto New York Street as we turn this corner. comprised of
West.
6
This is
distinct
cool.
trains that all met in the center. So essentially, we can film up to.
Uh-oh, guys. It's gonna get great. Man, I love this. No, what's happening?
Hey, if anybody sees a shark, can you just let me know? Hey, at least the fire was giving us a hit us. It was getting chilly.
Watch your step, everyone. All right. Let's enjoy it.
Yes.
Well, the night is still young, so we got lots to do. I think for tonight, we should probably see the fireworks here next to the Hogwarts Castle.
Yes.
Hogwarts Castle?
Hogwarts Castle.
Hogwarts Castle.
I got Big V some gloves.
These are nice.
He's either a Slytherin or a Gryffindor. He took plenty of tests, but I think truly in his heart, he's.
I don't know what any of this stuff means, but I know that I like them.
And obviously, I got myself Hufflepuff.
And they're warm, especially right now. It is a little chilly, and it's great because I can hold my drink. I really like this cup.
You in that cup? Let go of that cup.
I really like the cup. Did I tell you how much I really like the cup? Because I like it.
Oh my. Are you ready for the countdown?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We're just relaxing here.
Just taking a little break to warm
Just
up.
relaxing.
They got like heaters down here.
They got like heaters up here, which is so cool.
All these people are resting here because it's a little warmer than it is out there. It's chilly.
And we have those cups.
That's keeping me warm. Even though the drink is cold, it's keeping me warm. Nice way to keep up your spirits. Delicious.
You know what ride we should ride?
What?
This one over here.
Oh, the Harry Potter ride.
We always come, but we never ride this ride because
It's
they're
true.
always filming something else.
Because we're always riding other stuff. I think we're always getting on the Mummy. I like that blast off.
I like the tour or the tram tour.
Yeah. Okay, so we can't take the camera on this ride because you do go upside down. I don't want to drop the camera, and then you also got to put away your bags.
You just have to come here for yourself.
It's true. We got to find a locker, and then we got to put our bags in the locker. All right, let's put you guys in here. I'll be back for you guys real soon, okay? All right, guys. That was fun.
So before you ride this ride, you actually have to put your stuff in a locker.
Yeah.
And here's the price.
But
It's actually free. It's free if you ride the ride.
Only if you leave it longer, do you have to pay like
Yeah, only if you leave it
$5.
longer, you have to pay a little bit extra.
Yeah.
But free for 2 hours.
We're not doing that.
Yeah.
Guys, this place is packed, but it's a lot of energy. Great energy, I'm telling you. We're having a lot of fun.
I know, I'm dancing a lot. Able to see it here. I feel like they're at the Roxbury.
Trying to wait to get in the club, huh? I've never seen Mo Sislak have this much business, guys. We're about to order our Duff beer, and it's kind of like, it tastes like Bud Light to me. I'm not a big fan of Bud Light, but it's Duff beer. I'm in the mood. It's New Year's, you know. We're here to have a good time. We're here to celebrate with you guys. We've already done a few rides. This thing is actually pretty cool, so this will actually get you, it's choking me, at the front of the
We
ride.
went in front of the 85-minute
The Harry Potter ride was 85 minutes. This place is packed, guys, but if you get one of these Eve passes, the ultimate Eve pass,
Oh, the
it'll get you at the
VIP
front of the line.
passes.
Yeah, the preferred VIP passes. So thank you, Universal, again. We never had this type of opportunity before, now we did.
like a celebrity.
Cheers, you know. All right, let's go. You got your thingamajig? Your horn? All right, let's ring in the new year. It's 10 more minutes, you know. 10 more minutes.
I didn't want to hold it.
And then you're gonna see the magic happen right over here. We're gonna ring in the new year, 2020, Janelle. 2020. Passing around the champagne because it's almost time.
Thank
you. All right, there's the champagne, Janelle. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! Back to the Future! Woo! Woo! Happy New Year, Janelle 2020! Oh yeah! So we're coming down the stairs and we see that crazy party going on the lower lot of Universal Studios. We really want to thank Universal Studios Hollywood for inviting us to this amazing event. It was so much fun. This was great. It was a VIP experience. I know a lot of people don't really do the VIP. They go with the regular tickets. But even with the regular tickets, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun. There was so much to do. The Hogwarts Castle celebration for New Year's, the fireworks, just so much fun. We're bringing in a new decade, so we're excited to bring some new content to this channel. And we want to thank you guys for joining us for this adventure. It was great, and we're really thankful for you guys for coming along with us on all these videos and leaving us great comments. Really, we mean it, guys. We're heading into 2020 with some good, high energy, and we love you guys. We want to say thank you, Universal, and thank you guys for all the support you've given us. We love you guys, but we'll see you guys here next time on Magic Journeys. Bye!